One of the most important practice concepts is to isolate things. Later on, you might need to integrate and combine those techniques again, but for starters, it's a good idea to focus on one thing at a time. Let's do this with your picking hand. Basically, there are only two main movements. There's the downstroke, where you pick the string towards the floor, or the upstroke, where the movement is towards the ceiling. While there are other techniques available and used, the bread and butter technique is alternate picking, where you switch constantly between the down and the upstroke. A great way to develop the technique is by playing open strings only, like this. The key points are to stay relaxed, in time where you don't rush or drag the beat, and to use strict alternate picking.